Alright guys, I just bought GoPro Hero 5 Black Edition from Sam's Club. About 300 bucks. It's a bundle, so it comes with all of this. Head mount, obviously the GoPro. 16 gigabytes, a dual charger with an extra battery. You got a USB-C cable, flush head mounts, and you have the case in general. I just started opening it up and I was like, you know what? Might as well record this, so I'm taking this off. Yeah, see, I did rip this pull tab. It is fine. See, look at that. Nothing else has been touched, hasn't taken it out. So, this, let's get rid of. Got a little, cool. So there's a little information on the warranty, I suppose. Talked about the app, stickers. Gotta love stickers. And a little manual, little instruction, safety instructions. Yep. So what do we got in here? So first off, off the bat, got a nice looking box, I suppose. Check this out. Okay. So yeah, it's one of the flush mounts. Looks pretty nice. Doesn't feel cheap, that's for sure. So this is the hard case. Just gonna stick it in. It's got a little mode button on the side. Yeah, get that. You got the other flush mount. You have cable, USB-C charger. I assume, I don't know, maybe it's connected to like a computer or something. There's no flush mount. What do we got else? Alright, good stuff now. So you got the circle thing of that, I don't know. Just screw, tighten everything up. So here's the batteries and the SD card suite. So you got 2 batteries, I don't know how long they last, but cool. Definitely a good deal for sure. 16 gig. And in here, we got the goodies, guys. Here's the GoPro. Save that for last. So this is the, yep, this is the dual charger. It's got little prongs in there and stuff, but yeah, see that's, yeah. So this goes in there. Let's charge it up overnight, whatever. Yeah, see right in there, it's got a little instruction. This has to be the head mount, which I'm not gonna probably use too much, probably buy a chest mount. See, we will see. And yep, that's it. So we will move on to the actual GoPro, and we'll see if it turns on right away. So here it is. Wow, that's a big screen. And what I love about the 5 is that it's a touchscreen, which is going to be awesome. And voice activated, if you wish. Wow, that looks really nice. So let's see if we can turn it on. Nope, looks like it's dead. Or maybe we have to put in that battery. Let's try to figure that out. Push it, yep, push this, oh, okay, yeah. So let's move this out of the way. We'll put this down like that. Battery out. Forcibly. Looks like you got a little pull tab, get it out easier. So that's gonna go in just like that, I suppose. Yep. Cool, clicked into place and everything. So I did just see a power symbol. That feels nice and sturdy. Alright, let's see. Push and hold maybe? Yep. Here's the sound. Yep, seeing I gotta charge batteries, so feels good though. It's got a nice weight. Everything. Cool. Wide angle. Sweet. Well, there you go with the low battery thing. Very nice. And there it goes as it shuts off. Alrighty. Hero 5. Alright, well, there's the little vlog of this, and there'll be videos soon. Alright.